What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and today I am going to show you how to create an express campaign using AdCash. So let's dive in. Alright, so I am inside the dashboard of AdCash, and today I'm going to show you how to shoot in an express campaign. So to do so, we go to the campaigns list. And right here we can create a new campaign. So when I click on that, you have two options. You can either go with Express Campaign or you can go with Advanced Campaign. So if you want to know how to set up your campaign using the Advanced Campaign, make sure to watch the other videos in this playlist as we've used it quite some time. But this video, we are going to explore what it's like to use the Express Campaign. So let's do it. Here we go. And now we have to select an ad format. So do we want to run pop under, interstitial, native, banner, or push notifications? So let's say we want to use, what shall we do? Pop under, whatever. That's fine. All right, there we go. So now we have to fill in a name, just like with the advanced, and a landing page URL. So we will do that. And then we can choose what kind of devices we want to run on. So do we want desktop or mobile? So you can simply choose one of the two or both, as you can see. And if you want to address this part with the advanced settings, so with the settings you can choose in an advanced campaign, you basically just click on advanced selection. And this gives you the same option as going to an advanced campaign, which is what kind of desktop and what kind of mobile do you want to run. So pretty cool. And right here we can choose our location. So what kind of geo are you going to run this campaign in? Let's say we want it in the big five, right? United Kingdom, United States. There we go. Australia. New Zealand. And I am missing one, which is Canada, of course. Took me some time to come up with that one. That's all right. Oh, Canada. Thank you. All right. So the targeting, supply sources. So all of them are selected. That's fine with me. So basically, just like using an advanced campaign, you can select everything you want targeting wise right here. So you still have the same options, but it's just basically all compressed into one page so that you can easily make your decisions and shoot your campaign live faster. It makes it a lot more easier if you don't have extreme settings, right? If you have to do a lot of targeting settings and a lot of settings to shoot your campaign live, I suggest going to the advanced campaign. But if you don't have a whole lot of targeting and you just want to test it to see where you should target, then I suggest taking this easier route where you have everything more condensed. So basically you can do all your targeting right here, and then here you can choose your bid. So do you want to run CPM or CPA target, and what is your bid? So the average bid is 99 cents, so I am going for €1. The frequency capping, I want to set on custom on IP address 1 per 25, let's make it in 2 impressions every 24 hours. The total budget I'm going to leave as unlimited, and the daily budget I am going to set on €200. Spread daily budget makes it spread throughout 24 hours instead of trying to spend it all in the first couple of hours. Right here you can schedule your campaign. When does it go live? When does it go offline? And then what kind of campaign status do you want after validation? Do you want us to put it active right away? Or do you want to just get a notification when it's validated and just wait it out until you say you're ready for it? All right, and then we have the zone capping. Limit the number of impressions for each zone per 24 hours. The minimum is 1,000. I'm just gonna leave that as is. And then you can submit your campaign. Easy as that. That's all it takes. And it makes it a lot more faster if you don't have a whole lot of settings that you want to change before you shoot your campaign live. That's going to be it for this one. Please don't forget to check out the Deberoo suite. We've got a brand new platform with all kinds of awesome software for your affiliate marketing journey. And right now, you can join the Deberoo suite beta for free. So make sure to check out the information. I'll drop in the link down below in the description so that you can check it out and join us. And maybe I'll see you on the inside of the Deberoo suite. That's going to be it for this one. Catch you next time. Peace out.